A new biosensor engineered by Penn State researchers offers scientists the first dynamic glimpses of manganese, an elusive metal ion that is essential for life. The researchers engineered the sensor from a natural protein called lanmodulin, which binds rare earth elements with high selectivity and was discovered 5 years ago by some of the Penn State researchers involved in the present study. They were able to genetically reprogram the protein to favor manganese over other common transition metals like iron and copper, which defies the trends observed with most transition metal binding molecules. The sensor could have broad applications in biotechnology to advance understanding of photosynthesis, host pathogen interactions, and neurobiology. It could also be potentially applied more generally for processes such as separation of the transition metal components, manganese, cobalt, and nickel, in lithium-ion battery recycling. The team recently published their findings in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. The researcher Jennifer Park says they believe that this is the first sensor that is selective enough for manganese for detailed studies of this metal in biological systems. She explained that the team was able to monitor the behavior of manganese within bacteria and are now working to engineer even tighter binding sensors to potentially study how the metal works in mammalian systems. Like iron, copper, and zinc, manganese is an essential metal for plants and animals. Its function is to activate enzymes, molecules with vital jobs within living systems. For example, manganese is a key component of the photosynthetic process in plants. Manganese is present at the site where water is converted to oxygen, that is, at the heart of photosynthesis. In humans, manganese is linked to neural development. Accumulation of excess manganese in the brain induces Parkinsonian-like motor disease, whereas reduced manganese levels have been observed in association with Huntington's disease, the researchers explained. However, scientific understanding of manganese has lagged behind that of other essential metals, in part because of a lack of techniques to visualize its concentration, localization, and movement within cells. The new sensor opens the door for all kinds of new research.